Latest severe thunderstorm warning for west central Woodruff, northwestern Prairie, northern Lone Oak, eastern White, and northeastern Pulaski counties, as a severe thunderstorm was about moving from Parnell to near Cabot to the northeast at 55 miles per hour. Watching that particular storm right now here at KASU. And one other storm that we want to pass along to you, that a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6 o'clock for Woodruff, northeastern Prairie, and northwestern Monroe counties. About 2 minutes ago, a severe thunderstorm was located near Duval's Bluff, moving to the northeast at 65 miles per hour, producing possibilities of tennis ball-sized hail and 70-mile-an-hour wind gusts. That's a severe thunderstorm warning for Woodruff and northeastern Prairie and northwestern Monroe counties. Another new warning just having been issued. Let me get the information on that to share with you. This one is for eastern Lee, southeastern St. Francis, northwestern Phillips, southwestern Crittenden County in eastern Arkansas, along with a few counties in northwestern Mississippi. This latest
The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Lee County in eastern Arkansas, southeastern St. Francis County in eastern Arkansas, northeastern Phillips County in eastern Arkansas, southwestern Crittenden County in eastern Arkansas, western DeSoto County in northwestern Mississippi, northeastern Coahoma County in northwestern Mississippi, Tunica County in northwestern Mississippi, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:32 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Helena, West Helena, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Tunica, Hughes, Clack, Trinity, Lake Cormorant, Moon, Helena, West Helena, Preston Place, Horn Lake, Quarles, Commerce, Austin, Richard, Beck, Eudora, Dubs, Glover, Whitehall, Huma, and Alden. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Daylight Time for eastern Arkansas, northwestern Mississippi, and West Tennessee. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Arkansas: Crittenden, Lee, Phillips, and St. Francis, and the following counties in Mississippi: Coahoma, DeSoto, and Tunica.
Again, repeating, there are multiple severe thunderstorm warnings in effect across eastern Arkansas at this particular time, mainly in a line of storms ranging from Pocahontas down to Batesville to Newport to Searcy. There's